Hi guys, welcome on my channel. I'm back with a new top 10 Instagram spots video, and in this video I will show you guys the best spots in Yucatán in Mexico. Yucatán is a peninsula located in the east of Mexico. It's a very popular destination among tourists because here you can find the remains of the Maya culture and of course because of its beautiful beaches. So we did a 16 days road trip on the Yucatán Peninsula, and we did this with our own rental car since I think this is one of the best ways to explore Mexico. So during our trip we came across numerous Instagrammable spots. So instead of sharing 10 locations, I will show you guys my top 15. Just like in my last video, I will make sure to put the exact locations down in the description. So, are you guys ready? So the ultimate number one is of course El Castillo Pyramid in Chichén-Itzá. Chichén-Itzá is located west of Valladolid and used to be one of the most important Mayan cities. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which makes it a very popular destination for tourists. If you want to make a photo here without too many people in it, make sure you arrive early. We arrived around 10-15 minutes before opening, and we were there before all the tour buses arrived. This way I had the pyramid almost for myself, and this is how my photo turned out. So within 6 minutes driving from the Chichén-Itzá site, you will find the second spot, the Ikilsa Note. Cenotes are a type of underground caves filled with water, and there are more than 3,000 cenotes in Mexico, and only half of which are registered. One of the most beautiful cenotes in the Yucatán area is the Ikilsa Note, which is also called the Sacred Blue Cenote. Ikil goes quite deep down, and the walls are overgrown with plants and lianas. A very Insta-worthy spot. So the third spot is Las Cocalitos, a very photogenic spot near Laguna Bacalar. The water is extremely blue and there are a few swings in the water, and these things combined guarantee for a very cool Instagram shot. Okay, so the fourth spot is the Follow That Dream sign in Tulum. If you search on Instagram for photos taken in Tulum, you come across this sign multiple times. It's a road sign located in the hotel zone of Tulum with the text Follow That Dream on it. An inspiring text, of course, which makes it a very popular spot. The sign can be found in front of Lolita Lolita. So for the fifth spot, we're visiting another cenote, namely the Soitun Cenote. This cenote can be found near the city of Valladolid. There runs a platform up to the center of the cave, which makes this cenote very special. What's also very cool, if you visit this cenote around a certain time, you can spot a light beam inside. The best time to catch this magical light of rain is from 11 to 1 p.m, but unfortunately this is also one of the busiest time in the cenote, because of course many people know this. We ourselves went very early in the morning and it was still incredible and very cool to see and to capture. In Tulum you can find a lot of cute little places, and for the sixth spot I'm taking you to the hanging palm tree on beach Playa Pescadores. Because this tree is so inclined, you can very easily climb on it and take a very Insta-worthy shot. Be careful not to fall off though. This is how mine turned out. Isla Holbox is a very small island off the coast of Mexico. The island is mainly known for its beautiful beaches, but also the center is definitely worth a visit. Make sure to bring your camera because you will find a lot of street art here that make a great photo. Here's number 7. Another photogenic spot in Tulum is Matcha Mama. Not only can you buy delicious smoothies and bowls here, also this cafe looks super cute. It's a cute little shed with 2 swings and a surfboard up front with the text I love Tulum so matcha. I totally understand why this spot is so Insta famous. So for the 9th spot, we're staying in Tulum and going to Azulik, one of the more luxurious hotels in the Tulum hotel zone. Azulik also features a fantastic restaurant, Quintana Roo. Quintana Roo is built on stilts and is located at a height of 12 meters. From here you have a beautiful view over the Maya jungle of Tulum. The restaurant stretched out some nets to chill in and to enjoy the view, and of course to take some photos, because this place is truly magical. Do keep in mind that you only can line the nets if you're also gonna eat in a restaurant, otherwise you won't be allowed in. So this is how my photo turned out. So number 10 already. This spot is located in Mahahual, a small fishing village in Quintana Roo. The village can be packed with tourists, but on the days that there is no cruise ship docking, it's a lovely quiet destination where you can totally relax and unwind. At the beach of Mahahual you will find some restaurants and a few hammocks have been set up in the water. These are not only great for a nap, but also for a very Insta-worthy shot. For number 11, I will take you to Las Coloradas in Río Lagartos. This place is so beautiful, I bet your mouth will fall open. Las Coloradas means colored in Spanish, and the village owes its name to a series of brightly pink lakes which are located on the outskirts of the village. These are salt lakes, and the vibrant pink color is due to the different microorganisms like plankton, shrimp and red-colored algae that thrive in the salty environments. If you're lucky, you will also spot some flamingos, since they eat these pink little organisms. Fun fact, did you know this is how flamingos get their pink color? Anyhow, the lakes are stunning and a super cool photo spot. Yay, more hammocks! And this time in Isla Holbox. Some hoteliers put hammocks in the water so that their guests can relax and enjoy the sea, which has become quite a popular activity and photo spot. For me, the prettiest ones can be found in front of Villas Tiburon by the beach. The colored hammocks, the letters spelling Holbox above it, and the extremely blue water. Perfect features for a great shot. So for the 13th spot, we're going to Valladolid. The center of this town is very colorful and extremely photogenic. Here you will not only find colorful buildings, but also numerous colored cars. Especially the classic VW Beetles I found very cool and should not be missing from your Instagram page. Here is how mine turned out. Number 14, another cenote, Dos Ojos cenotes. As the name already suggests, at this spot you will not find one but two cenotes. The water in both caves are extremely clear, that's why it's also a very popular diving spot. So jump in, enjoy, and don't forget to take a photo. So last but definitely not least, the Maya ruins in Tulum. A visit to the Maya ruins is a must when you're in Tulum. This place was the only Maya city built next to the sea, which makes this place very special. The whole ground is very beautiful and you can make a ton of photos here. So that's it for today's video. As I said already, I put all the exact locations of the discussed photo spots in the description. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and found it helpful. If you guys have any questions or want to know more about a specific location, please let me know in the comments. I want to thank you all for watching and I hope to see you from my next video. Bye!